What's up, guys? It is Titus. I'm back with another video. Today we have some urgent news. It looks like Elon has done it again, and the institutions in the whales just want a little bit more of Bitcoin and other altcoins. So before we get started tonight, I got all the links for the Discord. I put everything into one link for you guys, so you can just go straight to the channel and click the one link, and it'll show you the link for YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, everything, Discord, everything. And I need urgently some moderators. So if you guys can let me know down in the comments, can you let me know down in the comments? I would like to join Discord and be a moderator, because I need you guys. Like I said, we are trying to build a strong community around here and make crypto well known, get crypto passed to people, everyday people, so they can learn more about it, make it easier for them to understand, and just make crypto stand out. So hope you guys having a good night, hope you guys had a good day, and hope you guys held your coins. Unless you're in profits, like I said, if you're in profits, you can trim a little bit off the top of your profits. It's always good to do that. It's not bad to take profits. All right, let's get it started. One second. All right, so we had our target for this circle. It was going good until it was looking good. Why did Elon do it to us? Let's go to Twitter. Twitter. Make sure you guys follow the Twitter. I'll be posting on there price targets for everything and price predictions, like price targets to get in. And that's it. I'll just be posting like stuff to have on the account, so when you guys look at it, it show you the price target to get in and what I think the price will be at, and other tweets as well, just putting on there. All right, so let's look at the tweet he had. I know I said it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, not someone else. So in the end, it didn't even. Let me see. He's bugging. He's actually bugging. That's funny. Elon is wild for that. Man, why is he doing it? So he's saying that he's basically saying that Tesla broke up with Bitcoin, even though they still hold it. So what I believe he's doing, he's trying to get a little bit more companies in, side companies. They say, hey Elon, bro, I really need to get into that Bitcoin, bro. Can you help me out? Just send out one tweet for me. I'll give you 100 mil. I'll give you 20 mil, 10 mil, 5 mil. I just need that tweet to hit, all right? And then he tweet out, it dropped down, and then the institutions start getting in again. They start filling up more and more, getting ready. They're getting prepared for takeoff, basically. So this is last. Elon puts in his little last drop off to Bitcoin, his last knockout to Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin is getting ready to take off after this. Hopefully, it doesn't last another week like last one did. Hopefully, there's no other bad news that comes out. Hopefully, they don't say like, say something like big business will never accept Bitcoin or some crazy stuff. They just be making stuff up, really. So we were almost gonna hit this price target, 40K. It was basically there. We were gonna hit it. This one, after this, I guarantee you, it's bullish up here. Let's look at Ether. Ether, I'm telling you guys, it's the exact same. It's basically looking at the same chart. So and it's also when Elon tweets, it's not a terrible thing. It's only terrible because we want the markets to go up so bad. We want to make a lot of money so bad. You can still make money in the bear market, but you just have to set price targets. You just have to study a little bit more than you would in the bull market, because in the bull market, everything's going up with the market. So in the bear market, you have to make sure you're not getting into any scam coins, not getting into a project that doesn't have anything behind it, that hasn't released in 5 years, everything like that. So you have to do a little bit more analysis on your projects when you look at them, see if they're strong, see if they're legit. There's a lot of things that goes into it when you're in a bear market versus a bull market. Bull market, everything flies up 100%, 200%, a lot of percents. So let's see. I think I got into one. There's a huge sell off for one. I forgot when I bought one, but I bought one at. Dang, it's on my. Hopefully, he didn't tweet anything else. Why does he see? He's playing. He's messing with it like it's a game. He just, man. But in the future, he won't be able to do this anymore. He's having his fun now. He's doing all that now. But in the future, it's not gonna happen. Once Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market is worth 15, 10, 15, 20 trillion, it's gonna be hard to move it. It might cause a nudge in it, a budge, but it's nah. It's not gonna really affect it that heavily. And yeah, I'll just be stacking up on my Bitcoin, filling up on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is getting ready to take off to 100K. I'll tweet my price targets on Bitcoin. My first tweet on here. Let's see. BTC. See. I don't use Twitter like that, so you guys have to, like, if you like Twitter and you're on Twitter, like, yeah, show me how to use Twitter, like all the cool things you can do with it. I don't even know what this is. Move poll. Actually, how about this? I'm gonna do a poll. One second. I think somebody's. Sorry, y'all, but gotta get something. All right, I'm gonna put this out. Bitcoin BTC to 200K. Nah, not 200K. I think BTC 130K. So make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter and hit this poll up. I want to see what everybody thinks. If they think it's bullish, they think it's it's 132K might be. I mean, 130K might be too far up there. Some more like realistic 84K. Some a little bit closer. Which one? I think it'll hit 22K before. So run this tweet up, and if you have anything else you want to say about BTC, what you think will happen, put it under the comment. Here, let me put a link for you guys so you can get on the Twitter. I'll figure out how to work the chat. I'm still getting used to this stuff, guys, so I think that's a good one. 84K to compare to 22K. Cause we was just at 65K not too long ago. So it's not too out of the realm to say 84K. Let me. All right, now let's look at some charts. Let's look at excuse me. Let's look at REN. Let's look at some cryptos that we talked about last night. I don't know if I talked about Seller. Scale is a great crypto. Scale. Chili's is still in the top 60. I haven't heard of Chili's in a while. Scale. Alright, let's look at let me know if you can hear this. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. Alright, so Scale, Elastic Blockchain Network, build powerful Ethereum beat apps. Scale is a good coin to look at. I'm gonna tweet once we look more into this price targets for Scale. You should get in. And yeah. Okay, so so this is basically you add on to the Scale network with the sub. I think it's like it's called sub chain. So you work under. You basically if you add onto this, you're underneath the Scale app. So if you create a project on the Scale app, you're a sub portion of Scale. And our Scale is a sub portion of Ether. So they coordinate with each other. See the code and start building. Forget the limitations of traditional blockchain development. Scale network protocol is one of the first all kind to allow developers easily provision highly configurable blockchains will provide the benefits of decentralization without compromising on computation, storage, or security. That's great. Scales, what's their yeah, Scale's a sleeper. It was just at $1 not too long ago. So if you guys were to get into this, I'll set my price targets on Twitter. You guys check it out on Twitter. And I'll set them in Discord as well. Remember on here, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just over here teaching giving educational looks at things based off of education. Only thing that could affect scale is its token supply. Max supply 7 billion, but it's not too outrageous because there's about 8 billion people in the world, maybe 7 billion, just about 7.8. So if every person will have one scale token, not every person will be able to get it. So if you were to buy 1 million of these, only 6.9. No. If you were to buy, yeah, I'm right. 6.9 billion tokens would be left. So scale is they can probably hit $10. I don't see triple digits anytime soon for them. But they could definitely hit that in like 2 years. Because they're on the Ether, their ERC20 token. Yeah. Well, they ERC20 tokens? If they aren't, that's yeah. Okay, yeah, they are. Okay, so yeah. And they're just helping their additional piece to adding more pieces to the Ether ecosystem underneath scale. So it's basically this Ether expanding is helping Ether scale. All these projects that have good stuff behind them and actually trying to do something for the Ethereum ecosystem, there's no reason you should miss out on it because they're actually doing something for Ethereum. They might not be at 100, $1,000, 10, $20 right now, but in the near future, I guarantee you a lot of these will be up 100x from now. 100x is what? I don't even know. I don't really. What, $3.09? I don't know, but it's pretty up there. That's $390 might be. But yeah, do not sleep on these type of tokens. Tonight we're gonna do our first our first altcoin buy orders, setting price targets to get in, and making gains. Oh, well. My vision. All right, so price targets for seller are, let me see. First, let's find the high. Let's find its previous high. Okay, previous high. Our green line is going to be our highs. The green lines are going to be the highs. So everything with a green line, look at it. The white lines are just zones. Yellow lines are good buy lines. The white lines are just resistant lines. Look at this. Let's look at how much it is down on that 10%. So it's at that yellow. It's that one. Okay, so it's down 57. Oh, that's not even it. So right now the price is 450. Okay, 4 5. So it's down 56%. At the top. Okay, 10-2. So seller is down 50% from its all-time high. Its all-time high was in March 28th. Okay, let's look at what Bitcoin was March 28th. Bitcoin's price was at 55K. 55, 53K. So Bitcoin was consolidating around that 53, 55 area. And then our all-time high came at 65. Okay, so it wasn't really like a huge jump in Bitcoin during this time. Let's check what Ether is doing because seller is on the Ether's ecosystem or what it was doing. Okay, 28th March. Wow. Hmm. So it had a jump. Ether had its jump just after the 28th March ended. And Stellar's jump was it reached its high early in the morning, sold off. Also, guys, I've noticed a pattern in the crypto markets when usually the markets sell off. The markets usually sell off when you're asleep. So, and the markets are up when you're awake. So, if you're the average, say you're at the average person, um, they let's just say they wake up at, let's just say 7, 8:30, 8:30 they wake up, and then let's say 11 they go to sleep. 11, dang it, I gotta pull up. I don't remember exactly the times, but it's most of the time the market drops heavily is when you're asleep. Because I don't know if you guys notice, every time you wake up and look at your phone, at least most of the times, the market is down in crypto. That's because I notice every time at 5 a.m., 5 a.m. exactly, there's always a dip. There might have been one run up at 5 a.m., but there's always dips at 5 a.m. This is weird to me. See, look, okay, let me show you here. This is one run up 5 a.m. I think 7:12. Sorry, 12 is 24-hour clock. Okay, so look, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Seller hit his peak. Okay, 4:30, 5. Seller started going down. So 5 to like, what was that, 10 a.m.? That's a huge sell-off time. So sometimes to get these good deals, you might have to stay up a little bit later or just set a limit order. Set a limit order and you'll be good. Okay, so for a good price, a good buy price for a seller is now basically, it's down 50% already. It's down 6% today. And is at 6 cents less than a week ago. So we might not get any of these, the 31 dip again. We might get a dip. The only other dip I see happening is that has a chance of happening, and it will be the last dip. So if we do dip, it will be a heavy dip. It will be a heavier one than last time, and then that will be the last dip before the market fully takes off till everything goes to 100. So if we dip down to 20, 22K, the market after that, it's not gonna consolidate. It's gonna shoot up like this. In a matter of minutes, market will fly up to probably back to 45, 50K, and it'll just start inching back up. inching back up, and then it'll go for that 100K target, 100K target. Okay, so I'm gonna put my buy orders like price targets for seller. Look at the pattern going down, up, consolidate, few seconds down, consolidate, few seconds down, up, consolidate, down, consolidate, up, consolidate, down. Okay, what is this price? Okay, 40 cents. If we don't get 40 cents or 2 cents or 4 cents, if it goes any lower than that, all the yellow is basically a buy zone. So this is it's 50% off, 56% off. And that's nowhere near its potential. 10 cents is nowhere near seller's potential. I'll look at coin. Mean scale. Look at the market cap. Max supply is the only other problem, but once you buy a lot of them, there's only going to be so many people with it. It's a low price coin. You can buy a lot of them. It's an ERC20. They working on helping grow the network. I'm pretty sure I showed this the other day. So they're basically working on making it easier for everybody to get into crypto. Means fast, secure, low-cost blockchain applications, Polkadot, and other mass blockchains to mass adoption. The word that we need to focus on here is mass adoption. Their goal is to bring crypto to mass adoption. If you can't tell from that, that is a great sign. But the only problem with that is their team has to be very strong. They have to have a lot of people because they're trying to work on a lot of things at once. They're not just focused on one thing. They're focused on several different things. They're focused on getting the low cost, making sure it's secure, making sure it's fast, and making sure it's interoperable. It's easy to connect with different blockchains and things of that sort. So it's gonna be hard to do, but if they have the team behind them and they have all these people, a strong team, the connections, they have things in place to scale, seller is a good buy. There's no reason you shouldn't be a seller. It's a good price for anybody. And they're hiring people too, like, so that's a good sign that they're trying to make jobs for people. It's a team. Pretty sure we looked at this before, but I'll look it over again, no problem. Late. So he just became a technical advisor with them. They have a lot of partners. XRP, Waves, Spark. I've seen Spark in a lot of partners with other cryptos. So they have a lot of things backing them. Seller is definitely good buy. Wouldn't deny it. This is what's great about them. Pushing blockchain to mainstream adoption. If they're working on that, they will be worth five bucks sooner than later. Because as you guys know, inflation, hyperinflation, will be coming heavy at us like never before. I don't know if you guys knew, but over 27% of the money printed for the USA has been from 2020 to this year. 27% of the money the USA spent in the USA's money spent in USA history. So just in less than 2 years, we have spent 27% of the United States' money in history. That is a lot. And the United States started in a long time ago, I want to say 1600s, 1700s. 27%. Hyperinflation is finna be disgusting. So, hope you guys prepare for that. It's gonna be tough for a lot of people. And that's when crypto is gonna come in, take off. It's gonna be a perfect timing. It's the perfect narrative for crypto. It's just everything falls into place. And mark my words, USA will say, we are switching over to cryptocurrency. We will have our own crypto. We're canceling the fiat dollar. Or they might not announce it live because they don't want to admit to the cryptocurrency people, or admit that they're wrong, that the fiat dollar is useless. But they're behind the scenes, buying Bitcoin, making their own crypto. They're low key putting money into building their own crypto. They're putting teams together. They're putting all that together to make their crypto. So just be prepared. Then Bitcoin will definitely be like, if it happens, let's say it happens next year or a year or two from now, Bitcoin will definitely hit that 200K, 100K. It'll probably hit 80K by the end of this year, but it'll hit that 200K like that. Once hyperinflation comes, it'll hit that quick, and then it'll just validate what crypto is and why you should get into it. People think it's a scam because there are scammers out there who use crypto's name, Bitcoin's name, as a scam to scam people for money. That's what they do. Because a lot of these people, they don't do their own research. They just see the scammers that call them, "Hey, we just got 100 Bitcoin in our wallet. We looking to send you 50. We just need you to send us $50 or 10,000 bucks to make sure we get there safely." Like, they say some crazy stuff. So yeah. Here, let me put in my Okay, so I predict prop seller is going to get I can count. I mean 50-50. Seller you can go back and look at the chart. And then you guys can come back and look at this to see, like, if in the future, let's say 3-4 months from now, a year or two, see if I was right. But I'll post Discord when I'm buying something, when I'm selling something, how much you should sell, what profits, percentage you should take out. But I'm not a financial advisor. My personal opinion. You don't have to follow what I do. You do whatever you want. Do what's best for you. What you believe is best for you. And yeah. But I need moderators. I'm pressing y'all because I need moderators. I need them so we can build up this Discord community and build everything. We need this. We need to get the snowball rolling. We need to get it rolling down the hill. I need some people to help me do it. Shout out to John Doe. Shout out to I Am Nurse for commenting on the videos. I'll be shouting out people for commenting on videos because I want to know what you guys think. What you think about crypto? What you think about certain cryptos? What cryptos you like? What cryptos you think is gonna 100x? We're a community, so we gotta talk to each other. If you're seeing this video, you need to talk. Let me know down below. Join the Discord, text in the Discord, all that. We're here to grow together. We're here to get crypto well known, and that's what we are here to do. We're here to motivate and inspire others around us to get into this and tell them that this is the future and help them understand it in a reasonable way. It's not something that's too complicated and something that's fairly simple for any person. Vision. So I'm gonna put my price targets in Discord right now. I'm begging, I need it. You guys are watching right now. Remember this. If you stick with it, stick with the trade, stay consistent within the community, stay consistent with any community that's helping you to better yourself, helping you gain more knowledge in crypto, anything, gain more knowledge in general. You need to stick with it and stay consistent as possible as you can. I get it, things come up. This might happen, that might happen, but just stay consistent as you can. It's gonna be hard at times. It's gonna be hard to stay stable. You think you're gonna, this might happen, this might happen. If you stick through it, everything will be good. If you know your why, if you know why you're doing this, at the end of the day, nothing else matters. If the market's down 20%, 50%, 80%, why are you here? You're gonna sell out at when the market's down 80%. Why are you here? Why? This is being real. Why are you here? Get out. You might as well just leave now. If you're here for that, just to leave at when the market's down 80%, that's just leave. We are holders and makers. We make profits and we hold our coins. We don't sell when it's down. We make profits and hold. So if it's up 100% and we bought it at a penny and now it's at $1, hey, we can trim off some profits. But don't sell when you're down 80% because that just blows all logic out of it. That blows your whole purpose behind being in crypto in the first place out the water. So just remember your why you're in crypto. There's no reason to sell out. Think about how people were talking about the internet in the 1990s, whatever. How they were talking about Apple. Oh, they're crazy. They're never gonna do it. Oh. They're so stuck in the present that they missed out on the future. I'm just saying. Alright, let's look at what did I say on the tweet again? $75, $132. Alright, I hope you guys like this stream. I'll be ending the stream right now. Join the Discord. We need to talk about more coins. We need to get some more no meme coins, no scam coins, no trash coins, no none of that. We're here for real projects and we're looking at their use cases, looking at what they can do for ecosystems, for real world problems, for all that, real use cases, future innovations and everything of that sort. So I hope you guys liked the video. I will be streaming tomorrow morning as well. Let me know like stream time, the best stream times that you guys want me to stream at, because I just been streaming around 9, 10 at night, 10, 11 in the morning. So let me know that in the comments, which one's a good time. And peace out. See y'all tomorrow.